Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a brand identity with 99 designs step by step clearly. Creating a brand identity with 99 designs starts with defining your brand values. Identify what your brand stands for and the message you want to convey. This foundation will shape your design choices throughout the process. Next, explore existing brands and gather inspiration. Look at colors, fonts, and styles that resonate with your vision. After that, create a design brief. This document should outline your brand identity, target audience, and preferred design styles. Once your brief is ready, visit 99 Designs and initiate a design contest. Choose the type of contest that best suits your needs. Usually a logo design is a great starting point. Upload your design brief and any reference images to provide clarity to designers. Set a budget for your contest to attract the right talent. Next, select the duration of your contest. Typically, 2 weeks allows enough time for designers to submit quality concepts. As designers begin to submit their work, review each entry critically. Provide feedback to help them refine their designs based on your preferences. Shortlist your favorite designs to focus on the most promising submissions. Once you have narrowed it down, engage with the designers further. Discuss what you like and ask for revisions if necessary. After exploring the revisions, prepare to choose a winner. Make your selection based on which design most aligns with your brand identity. Once the winner is chosen, finalize the payment. Make sure to request all necessary files and variations. This may include different color schemes, sizes, and formats. Once you receive the files, it's time to implement your new brand identity. Use your logo and visual elements across all marketing materials. Establish a cohesive look and feel that reflects your brand values. Finally, consistently evaluate your brand identity. Ensure it evolves as your business grows and customer preferences change. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.